Okay, so pretty much John Kavanagh has told me to check out this song by Dave called Two Birds, One Stone, No Stones. Um, I mean, there was someone who wasn't too happy with my last review of Dave's solo kind of piano, whatever you call it. I just found it was like lacking in energy. I know it didn't have that kind of like, hardcore rap sound to it, but for me personally, I didn't know what I was getting into watching it. So, like I started watching it and I expressed how I felt along the way, and I think that's how it should be. So let's check out this Dave Two Birds No Stones.
Look, I can kill two birds with no stones. Just let life do it. Success is in the stone's throw. The scene's a fucking mosh pit. I'm sitting in my own role. Man are just clones though. Copying the trend until it dies and then you go broke. The domino effect when you ain't focused on your own dough, and I ain't focused either. People wanna eat but can't show me where the peas are. Don't try it, it's a no-no. Don't bother, it's a no, bro. Your future looking copper, mine 20-carat rose gold. It's funny how I met faith and no hope. Music game slow-mo. Days I saw no growth, a Christian doing promo. Hell, sleep, cold, snow, and people wouldn't know though. When everything was blessed, before we went solo, we had man them on a Camden like Coco. Dead telling lies, I've got pride like Soho. I'm a tour guide on a cruise ship, we tryna showboat, it's actually true. Cause when you count the groundwork, I'm actually new. You like supporting your people until someone gets successful cause you...
This Dave guy, he's got a lot to say. He's a good lyricist. I mean, the beat again is lacking, but like it just sounds a bit hollow. Like there's no depth to it. But maybe it hasn't broken out yet, the beat. So, but
want someone to blow until they actually do, and then they're pop stars. My end's still hot, I slip not, I'm a rock star. I'm on this road alone, my bro's in the trap, he got sticky fingers, rolling stones, and on the other line, we got Jack Bennett. From Canada to London, lawyers and gunmen. Being by yourself can make the best of things.
Canada to London, lawyers and gunmen. That was a good bar.
Redundant, I feel everything and nothing, man, I'm empty. I'm really on the edge, so don't tempt me to pick up something lengthy. Don't ever say I've changed. I'm on the bus and train with my headphones every day. You people don't rate.
I mean, so far this Dave's got real good lyrics, good multis, good bars, but I think his beat choice is just not on, unless he's making the beats. But like, I don't know, like, maybe this is the kind of style of beat he likes, and that's totally cool.
The nerve to send shade, like I never sent the message to your brother, use your brain, put down your blade, like I never took the train to Essex in the rain, for a session on my J's, my girl, my mates, like I never fucking worked for this. When drill was the wave, I made a lane and then I nurtured it, and now you wanna talk like I never fucking deserved this shit, like it all came quick to me, like I never wrote picture me, literally, half the people dissing me, ain't ever done a thing for me, you must be raised differently, disrespect I didn't see, I'll hate you till I'm dead.
I don't know if the beat, it just sounds very Fruity Loops,
I'm triple super saiyan when I flex on my pagans and my ex. They question if I'm staying just for sex, but I wonder what was playing on your head when you were laying on my bed. I'm just saying, no offense, I'm super cool, don't be shy, love. Using me to dig for gold. It's ironic cause your intentions are minor, I don't care. I'm lonely and I'm fired up. A 20-person guest list and some vodka on my rider. It's weird when you level with a person and they treat you like you're higher, or treat you like you're different. She said my music's like silky.
I don't know if this is like kind of like a Lupe Fiasco style beat, but I don't know. I reckon this Dave guy, he's. I mean, there's nothing. I'm not taking away from his like his style, his presence, his vocal, in the rap, because it's good, and his lyrics are good, and his bars are good, and his rhymes are good, and his multis are great. But, I'd just like to see Dave with some better hardcore rap beats. I don't know what kind of rap beat this is,
Spider, I'm more like apples, I'm insider. I'm lonely and nothing more. 8 great minutes and then I'll bust like Dumbledore. I love you for this moment. She thinks I'm gonna dash, I'll let her link me like underscores. Ungrateful breed, these girls always want something more. Please don't annoy me. I may have called you princess, I ain't treating you like royalty. It's been less than 3 days while you up.
Yeah, so the beat, it's real soft. Like, it's a real soft beat, and, like, Dave's trying to rap to a soft beat, and it's just, in my opinion, it's not working. I don't, you can have 2 million views. That's cool, but, like, some country hillbillies have, you know, 2 million views. Doesn't mean I'm going to like it, So views is irrelevant, you know. I just reckon it's too soft. The beat is too soft. But that's my opinion. I like more kind of deeper rap beats.
Asking for my loyalty, just look at what we went and done. I could have been anyone, this is something that I've never done. You say that line to everyone, from 17 to 21 you went from a 90-day rule and a checklist to screaming in a pillow with some talking and a neck kiss. Are you telling me that every single person you connect with can whisper in your ear and then just get inside your best bits? This game's so confusing, I don't know what I want from this. A virgin before music, girls came with my accomplishments, and now I don't believe their praise and all their compliments. I take my insecurities and hide them all in confidence. I'll tell you this in confidence, I'm young and I'm free.
See, that's a real soft kind of beat, like, but, of course there's going to be different genres in rap, and that's what makes it so good.
But do you know how much it hurts me? They don't love me for me. It's crowded in our scene, and people, they just want what's hot. That's why I'm trying to sell. See, it's 100 degrees.
See, it's very like like fairy tale kind of, fairy beats. Like, it's like you'd see a fairy flying around with wings, I mean, so yeah, I mean, like, as a rapper and as a lyricist, Dave is fantastic. He's good. But I'm not digging his beat choices, but that's my opinion,